Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Board Sir, English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. Students, I hope till today you have seen all videos of our revision. But today we are again doing revision of question answer. That is question 5. Answer the following questions. Today we will learn all question answer 1 to 13th, all question answer in this video. Okay, so let's will start it. Okay, so let's will start here. First question is, which animal did Poonam see at pond? Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? Poonam saw buffaloes, goat, crane, frog and turtle at the pond. Poonam saw buffaloes, goat, crane, frog and turtle at the pond. Second question, which animal can live both on land and in water? Which animal can live both on land and in water? So a frog and turtle can live on both on land and in water. A frog and turtle can live both on land and in water. Let's see next question. How many planets are there? Name them. How many planets are there in our solar system and give its name? So there are 8 planets. How many planets? There are 8 planets. Which are these? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are there in our solar system. So let's write. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Fourth one, write any 6 things we get from trees. Write any 6 things we get from trees. Which things we can get from trees? Yes, wood, paper, honey, cotton, saffron, oil, sugar and gum we can get from the trees. So let's write wood, paper, honey, cotton, saffron, oil, sugar, rubber and gum we can get from the trees. Okay, let's see another questions. Write any 6 sources of water. So which are the sources of water? Yes, river, lake, pond, well, tube, ocean, sea. Those are sources of water. So we will write it. So we can write here river, lake, well, hand pump, waterfall, spring, ocean and sea are sources of water. Again, river, lake, well, hand pump, waterfall, spring, ocean and sea are sources of water. Next questions, write any 4 activities for which water is used. Here we have to write any 4 activities in which water is used. So water is used for bathing, cooking, washing utensils, washing clothes, cooking, washing utensils and bathing. Such kind of activity we can't do without water. Next, 7 number, write any 3 rivers on our country. Write any 3 rivers of our country. So students, there are so many rivers in our country like Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Sabarmati. Okay, but here we will write only 3 rivers of our country are Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri and Krishna. 8th one, write any 4 customs followed in your family. Students, here we have to write any 2 customs which are followed in our family, like praying to God, pray in the morning, then having food together, having having lunch together, having dinner together. Okay, we are respecting our parents, we are respecting our elders, we are respecting our guests. So those are customs of our family. So here we will write, two customs followed in my family are everyone prays to the God together, having food together. At night we all are having dinner together. So those two customs of my family. You can write your family's customs also. Okay, let's see next. 9 number, why do we need a house? Students, why we need a house? Yes, we need a house to protect from sunlight, rain, cold, thieves and wild animals. That's why we need house. So we are writing, we need a house because a house protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. We need a house because a house protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. 10th one, what are the some of the rooms in our house? What are some rooms of our house? So there are so many rooms in our house. Okay, like a drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, okay, storeroom, study room, bedroom. So we can write these all rooms. So we are writing here. Answer, drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, storerooms are rooms in our house. Here you can write garage also. Garage is a one kind of part of our house. 11th number, name any 5 uninvited animals that live in your house. There are so many uninvited animals living with us in our house. We know which are those? Yes, lizard, spider, cat, rat, housefly, okay, cockroach, lizards, mosquitoes. Those are uninvited animals living in our house. So we will write spider, cockroach, lizard, mosquitoes, houseflies, rat, cat, etc. uninvited animals that live in our house. Again, spider, cockroach, lizard, mosquitoes, houseflies, rat, cat, etc. animals, uninvited animals that live in our house. 12 number, how do you know that you are hungry? Students, do you know when you are hungry? How do you feel it? How do you feel it? Yes, when our stomach is empty and we feel like eating something. At that time, we can say that I am or we are hungry. That's right. When we feel our stomach is empty, we felt like eating some things, we come to know that we are hungry. Again, when we feel our stomach is empty, we felt like eating something, we come to know that we are hungry. Let's see another. Okay, 13 number. Do all children in your class bring the same food every day? Do all children of your class bring same food every day? No. All children cannot bring same food every day. Are you bringing same food every day? No. You are changing its item. You are changing its daily. Okay. So no, all children do not bring the same food every day. No. All children do not bring the same food every day because it will be changed. 14 number, write any 4 dishes made from rice. Students, we can make so many dishes from rice. Here we are writing dosa, rice, idli, pulao and khichdi from rice. Dosa, rice, idli, pulao and khichdi from the rice. Okay. Next, How do sense organ help us? How do sense organ help us? Students, which are sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are our sense organ. So sense organ help us to see, to smell, to hear and to touch. Sense organ help us to identify things around us. Which things around us that we can see, sometimes we can smell, okay, we can touch, we can hear, so we can come to know which things is around us. Question number 16. Who use sign language to express their feelings? We already discussed about it. The person who cannot listen or who cannot hear can use sign language to express their feelings. A person who cannot speak or hear use sign language to express their feelings. So we will write it. So the person who cannot speak or hear use sign language to express their feelings. Again, the person who cannot speak or hear use sign language to express their feelings. Let's see next question. 18 number. Who is called deaf? A person who cannot hear are deaf. Here our question is, who is called deaf? So a person who cannot hear are called deaf. So we will write, okay, a person who cannot hear is called deaf. Let's see next. 17 number. Difference between mudras and bow. We can convey our feelings with the help of dance also. So in dance we are using our hand movements as a mudras and facial expression is called bows. How you are presenting it? It is depending on dance form of feelings. So we will write it. Answer. In dance, hands and face are used to convey feelings. Hands movement are called mudras and facial expressions are called bows. Again, in dance, hands and face are used to convey feelings. Hand movement are called mudras and facial expressions are called bows. So let's see next. Name any 6 birds that you see around you, around your house. Here you can write your own experience. You can write your whichever bird you have seen around you, like peacock, pigeon, manna, parrot, crow, owl, vulture, kite. Whichever bird you have seen around you, that you can write here. So we are writing here. Okay, so we can write parrot, pigeon, peacock, manna, vulture, hen, crow, etc. Okay, you can write whichever bird you have seen around you. Let's see next question. 20 number. What helps the bird to fly? Students, which part of a bird helps to bird to fly? Feathers. Feathers of the bird, hollow bones and wings help to fly. Feathers, hollow bones and wings help to fly to the bird. Feathers of the bird, hollow bones and wings help to fly. Okay, next question. How do feather helps bird? Students, how do feather helps to the bird in which activity? So feathers keep their body warm. First one is feather keeps bird body warm. Help to warm eggs. While birds hatching their eggs, it give them warmthness. And to fly. So feathers keep their body warm, help to warm eggs and to fly. Okay, let's see next. How does a manna move its neck? How does manna move its neck? Students, have you seen manna? How it is walking? Yes, while it is walking, It moves its head front and back with a special jerk. So Maina moves its neck front and back with a jerk. Again, Maina moves its neck front and back with a jerk. 23 number. From where do the plants get water which grow around your house? There are so many plants grows around your house. From where it is getting water? Are you watering it? Yes, sometimes we are watering, but mostly they get water from rain. Mostly plants get water from rain. So we are writing, most of the plants around my house gets water from rain. Most of the plants around my house gets water from rain. Some plants water by me also. Some plants water by me or water by us also. Okay. So let's see next. Okay, 24 number. Why do plants need water? Why do plants need water? Plants need water to grow. Same like us, plants need water to grow and make food. Plants also require water to make food, and before making food, it's required to grow. Plants need water to grow and make food. So plants need water to grow and make food. 25 number, write different method of cooking food. Students, when we learn about kitchen, we also learned about it. Which are the different method of cooking? Different method of cookings are frying, baking, boiling, roasting and steaming. So we can say frying, baking, boiling, roasting and steaming are method of making food. 26 number, what are cooking utensils made of? Write name of any 4 things. Cooking utensils made up of steel, copper, iron and bronze, like a cooking pan, spoon, spatula, container, pressure cooker, jar, plate, glass. There are so many utensils we are using for making food. Glass and plates made up of steel, cooking pan and other vessels made up of copper, iron, some cooking pan and some utensils also made up of iron and bronze, jar and some glasses also made up of bronze. So cooking pan, spoon, spatula, container, pressure cooker, etc. made up of different metals. 27 number, what is an occupation? Any work done to earn money. Any work done to get money. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Any work done to earn money is called occupations. For getting money, you are doing some work. It is called occupations. So any work done to earn money is called occupations. Okay, students. 28 number, name any 4 animals that are used as a means of transportation. Students, there are some animals which we are using for transportation nowadays also and before some years also. So bullock, horse, donkey and elephant are used as a means of transportation. Bullock is used with the help of bullock cart, horse also for solo traveling, and horse is also for single traveling, and you can also attach horse cart with horse. Donkey, you can put any sack of things on it and you can travel it. And elephant also used for traveling. Bullock, horse, donkey and elephant are used as a means of transport. Okay. 29 number, who repair cars and scooter? Who repairs car and scooter? A mechanic, a particular helper has a particular work. Like a carpenter makes furniture, barber cuts hair, Doctor give medicines. Teacher teaches. In the same way, a mechanic repairs car and scooter. A mechanic repairs car and scooter. 30th number, write any 4 helpers who help us. There are so many help us in our work, like a barber, cobbler, farmer, doctor, teacher, postman, mason, plumber, tailor, porter. Okay, so here you can write any 4 names like a mason, carpenter, plumber, cobbler, tailor, porter, etc. You can write any 4 helpers name for it. Okay students, here we are ending our video and it is a question 5. Answer the following question. Students, from these questions, total 15 question will be asked in exam paper. You have to read it carefully, be ready, watch again and again video, and be ready for exam. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.